There were dragons when I was a boy. The world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. But we Burkians, know otherwise. We may be small in numbers, but we stand for something bigger than anything the world can pit against us. We are the voice of peace, and bit by bit, we will change this world, and we'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace. Our world doesn't deserve it yet. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. I didn't think about what you needed.
There was truth, there was consequence against you. A weak defense, then there's me. I'm 17, looking for a fight. All my life I was never there, just a ghost, running scared. Here our dreams are made at one, but I can't wait to go home.
Where we belong. Berk is more than this place. We are Berk, the people, the dragons. I say Berk is wherever we go.
I'll wait for you.
Go, Toothless.